Hello and welcome to Jessi Fit Pilates, your home to get fit, toned, and flexible as we strengthen, stretch, and smile. We are here today with a super long band from Hope Fitness. They make them in several different sizes and it's a huge blue band. I am using the light band, although I may swap it out at some point for some other ones. Hope Fitness is a brand that gives back. They donate a percentage of their proceeds to children who are facing medical issues. As you know, here in the United States, most of the time, medical insurance doesn't really cover everything. There's co-pays, there's deductibles, there's all kinds of things. So sometimes families really wind up struggling financially, and this company wants to make sure that no family has to do that. So please use the link that's in the caption to purchase your own, and you'll also get a discount code with it. So I have the light band, it's a yellow band, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to step right on it. I'm just gonna take a deep breath in and I'm gonna raise my arms up, up, up. Inhaling, and then exhale, take them on down. We'll do a few more just like that. Breathing in, raising the arms, keeping the shoulders off the ears, and then down. I'm gonna step back just so you can see me. Sorry if I come off the camera. Inhaling it up, and then exhaling it down. The higher you take your arms, the harder this will be, and the wider you take your feet, also the more tension there will be. Breathe on in, hold it here. Now squat down, come up. Exhale as you lower, inhale as you lift. A few more just like that. Bending the knees, my knees stay right over my feet. My feet are parallel. I really feel this in my arms. 2 more times. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. Now hold it up. I'm gonna take my arms just to about chest height, just because my shoulders are really starting to kill me. And I'm gonna shift to one side, press out and in with that leg, the opposite leg. Okay, reach in, reach in. Now press in, press in, press in. My arms are about shoulder distance apart. My shoulder blades are staying down, and all of my weight is in my standing leg. 4 more like that. 4, 3, 2, hold it. Press out with that leg, out, 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 for 4, for 3, for 2, 1. Place that foot down. Let the arms rest for just a second. This time we're gonna do an upright row as we kick, right? So row, down, row, down, row, down, row. Now hold it and just do a few more kicks. Out, 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 out. One more time. Hold it, pulse it, out, 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 out. Last 6. Keep your abs in. Keep your weight stable on that leg. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. From there, keep the band around your feet. Come down onto your mat. Take your knees down onto the mat and place the band, the shoulders in, like so it's kind of weaved in between my thumbs. My palms are down. We'll do a few cat-cows. So round, round, round your spine. And then arch, arch, arch. Press deeply into your fingertips, round the spine. And arch. And exhale. Inhale. Now, come to a quadruped position and with a neutral spine. I'm going to take my far away foot first, so the foot that's far away from you, press out into it and then in. I'm going to come up a little bit so I don't kick anything. Out, in, out, in. Now, if you want to make this more challenging, you can add more tension to the band. Press out, in, out, in. We'll do 4 more here. Really think about holding, like imagine you were balancing a glass of water on your lower back. And 2. Now hold it. Let's curl, stretch, curl, stretch, curl, stretch. We'll do a few more and then we'll add some pulses in. 3, 2, hold it here, pulse up, 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 up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there for just a second. Float that bottom knee up. Pulse it again. 8 of them. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So bring it on down. I'm going to capture it in the other foot. I'm going to bring it back, so I'm not going to have the tension that I had just for a second. Let's just do a cat-cow or 2, rounding through your spine, arching, rounding, arching, rounding, arching. From there, come to a neutral spine. I'm going to bring my knees close together. Now the foot that's close to you, I'm going to bring it back. And make sure I'm on camera. Back, in, back. If you want more tension, tense it up. Right? So you're in control with a long band like this. You can always use any band. Reach it, in, reach, in, reach, in. 2 more here. Just keep drawing your belly muscles in. Keep your shoulders off your ears. Keep your spine long and neutral. Now hold it. Press up, 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 up. I'm actually going to add just a little more tension. Up, up, up. Now hold. Curl, press, curl, press, curl, press. Notice I'm not wearing any socks. I actually want the stickiness of my feet, and trust me, it is sticky. It is June in New York with a 98-99% humidity. 2 more. And then get ready to pulse. Up, 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 up. For 4, 3, 2. Now flex the bottom foot and pulse up again. Up, up, up. For 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, I'm going to face you. And let's see if I can pull this up. I'm going to take this foot, so it'll be your left foot, and I'm going to wrap the band around that foot. And then I'm going to bring this arm up, tap it down, up. So I'm in like a side plank, lift, 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 and my top arm really feels it, and my bottom arm is supporting me. 4 more. Breathing out and in, lifting through the chest, drawing the belly in tight, not sinking into that bottom side. Last 2. Now hold it and circle, 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 and reverse. Around, around, around. For 3, for 2, 1. Bring it on in, and let's go ahead and take a few Pilates rolls. So I want you to string down around your feet, roll your spine back. Exhale, roll on up. Give yourself a stretch. We'll do a few more here. Roll back, maybe add the arms in. Roll on up. Roll back. Stretch. Hands up. Roll up. Bend the knees if you need to. Make it just a little bit easier. One more time. Now, let's take the other leg, straighten it around. And I'll face you and come to that kneeling side kick position. Bottom knee is gonna bend underneath me. I think I got one too many in there. And bottom arm holds the band. Top arm is going to reach the band up. Now lift it, lower, lift, lower, lift, lower. Breathing out as you lift, in as you down. We'll do about 3 more and then we'll go into our circles. Hold it up, circle, 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 circle. Last 2. Now reverse it around, 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 and around. From there, let's go ahead and unloop it from that foot. Keep the band under the foot. And let's go ahead and bring your feet about shoulder distance apart. Let's actually bring your feet into a bit of a plie position. So we're going to externally rotate out, and we're going to plie and reach the arms out to the sides, come up and bring them down. Plie, lift, plie, lift. We'll do 4 more here. 3, 2, hold it. Now bend, stretch, bend, stretch. So bring it in and out. Now add a heel raise in. So, see if you can add a heel raise in. Give me 4. Other side. 3. Other side. 1 more on each leg. And 1. Take it all the way down. Give yourself a stretch. Come back to parallel with your feet. Come into a squat. I'm going to give you the side view here. I'm going to sink all the way down and I'm going to row. I'm going to come down even deeper. Row. Row. Now hold it back, row, down. So row, tricep, in, down, row, tricep, in, down. Now come up and up, down, tricep, up, down, tricep, up, down, row and tricep. 4 more. 3 more. 2. Hold it. Now alternate, 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 alternate. 8 more each way. Get as low as you can. Keep your spine neutral. Keep your shoulders away from the ears. Your neck is long. Last 4. Switch. 3. Switch. 2. Switch. 1 and switch. Woo. Now, I'm sweating in here and the sweat's going right into my eyes. I don't like keeping the air conditioning on just because it gets a little bit too hot. So I'm going to take this into, it'll be your left hand. We're going to step out to a side lunge in and then simultaneously row. So row and side lunge, row and side lunge, row and side lunge. The trick is you have to kind of keep your foot on the floor so that you don't lose the bend. 8 more here. 8. My opposite leg stays straight. My crown of my head really trying to keep on the ceiling. My hips do sink back as I lunge. 4 to go. 3, 2, hold it, come up, switch the arms. Deep breath in, roll those shoulders back. Now, side lunge, the other side, come up. As you can see, I lost the bend, just put your foot back in it, side lunge, up. Try to raise the foot along the floor so you don't lose the band like I just did. Opposite leg stays straight, lunging knee is gonna bend and extend. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, go ahead and drop your chin to your chest. Round your spine down, 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 down. Inhale. Come back up. Raise 2 more like that. Chin down. Roll down. Roll up. Raise up 1 more time. Take it down. Down. Up. And up. Let's go ahead and just take a quick hamstring stretch. So go ahead and loop it around one leg. You can extend the other leg out, giving it a big stretch. And then switch legs, giving that leg a nice little stretch. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Jessi Fit Pilates, and this is your home to strengthen, stretch, and smile. Please make sure you hit the subscribe, like, and comment, and tell me what you liked about this video and what it is you want to see next. Thank you so much for being here, and have a great fit day.